system like that.
But you put democracy into a process, a gradual process, starting in 1959 or in the early 1960s.
Yes, that's right.
Now you have made a decision. You're the religious leader of Tibetan Buddhists, and you were the head of state, and you decided that you would step down from all of your political positions. What was the response to that?
That is sort of as a part of the process of democratization. I always have this sort of strong view. The political institution and religious institution must be separate.
But some of the Tibetans were unhappy about this. Correct?
Oh, that's right. That's right. But this is, I think, due to lack of knowledge about the sort of global level picture, and also is our own the situation. I still there. So in case this is some highly necessary, my involvement, I'm there.
You're still there.
Oh, but in sooner or later, there will be a day without a Dalai Lama, actually. So that sooner or later will come. So the people must prepare. So much better while I alive.
And you will have a successor as a spiritual leader. As a spiritual leader, you expect to have a successor.
Oh, now that is since the 79. I made very clear, formally and officially to Tibetan people, that the very institution of Dalai Lama should continue or not up to Tibetan people, firstly. Then, in case majority of Tibetan people and also some other concerns of the people about Dalai Lama institution, then if they want to keep this institution, then it will remain. Then the question of successor, whether we should follow our traditional way or new way.
I'm wondering, first, what is your reaction to what is happening in the Middle East, where you see uprisings against autocratic rulers?
I think firstly, the